Hello and welcome to the Ultimate International Travel Guide for Beginners. Whether you're embarking on your first international trip or simply looking for some useful tips, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure to check the entry requirements for your destination. Some countries require a visa or entry permit, so it's essential to plan ahead and obtain the necessary documentation. Next, be sure to pack smart. Research the weather and local customs of your destination to ensure you pack appropriate clothing. Don't forget essentials like a universal adapter and a photocopy of your passport. Now it's time to brush up on some basic phrases. Learning a few key words in the local language can go a long way in helping you navigate and connect with the locals. When it comes to money matters, notify your bank that you'll be traveling abroad to avoid any issues with your cards. It's also a good idea to carry some local currency with you for smaller expenses. Safety should always be a top priority. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency numbers, and be cautious of your surroundings, especially in crowded places. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Lastly, embrace the adventure. Traveling is all about immersing yourself in new cultures and experiences. Try local cuisine, explore hidden gems, and interact with the locals to truly make the most of your journey. Thank you for watching our Ultimate International Travel Guide for Beginners. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!